Now let us discuss about the portion that is there in unit number 2 of Theory of Machines Part 1. This unit is kinematic diagrams. So for several mechanisms like Snyder crank mechanism and 4-bar mechanism and double slider and combination of these mechanisms, and in Snyder crank we have inversions of mechanisms, Whitworth mechanism and quick return mechanism. Quick return mechanisms, and for these mechanisms, given the dimensions of mechanisms and a position, a particular position of mechanism, we have to draw velocity diagram, displacement diagram, and acceleration diagrams. So a 4-bar mechanism could be something like this: 4-bar and 2 rotating hinges. So go to O4, and this is VIP. Now this is rotate in clockwise and counterclockwise. So the input angular velocity of link input link or crank will be given, and you have to determine the angular velocities of other links, remaining links, and also the accelerations of remaining links. You have to find out. For that, for a given position, you have to draw a displacement diagram, the position diagram. It's called position diagram, and then from that we have to draw velocity diagram and for acceleration diagram. So this will be the part of unit number 2. So there are nearly 15-20 mechanisms we can work out in this particular unit. 15 different mechanisms you can work out, and you can start with velocity diagrams. So for velocity diagrams can take some 3 classes. 3 classes you can take velocity diagrams, and you can study complete all mechanisms, all 15 mechanisms in these 3 classes, or some at least 8 to 10 mechanisms you can cover in these 3 classes, of each 15 minutes duration. And then you can take 3 more classes for acceleration diagrams. That means for drawing acceleration, you have to compulsory complete the velocity diagram, then only you can draw the acceleration diagrams. And 2 classes you can discuss about problems on corollaries component. Corollaries component, and so 8 classes, roughly 8 classes will be completing up to here, this corollary component, and you can take some 2 tutorial classes. You can dictate 2 or 3 problems, and you can see students solving the problems in these 2 tutorial classes. And this were 50 minutes classes. These are 50 minutes classes, and 1 class for multiple choice questions. In these multiple choice questions, we can work out some nearly 30 to 40 objective questions in this one class. So this will cover the unit 2 of theory of machines 1, that is kinematic diagrams for mechanisms. So that is what I would like to discuss in small video session. Thank you for watching the video. And next we will see unit number 3, which is synthesis of mechanisms portion in the next video. Thank you for watching.